Wow. Talking about glam. Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and being here again with me if you are a returning subscriber. But if you're new, hi, my name is Gerel, and in today's video we're going to be trying the Vanity makeup eyeshadow palette. And let me tell you, this palette is gorgeous, but it has been sitting in my collection collecting dust. I have not reached for it. I don't know why, but I did purchase it in 2021. I'm pretty sure that you guys saw it on a haul, and I just haven't really had time to film with this palette. So it is called the Signature palette, and it is gorgeous. So if you guys missed that haul, I will link it down below in the description area just in case you are interested in seeing other products that I got. And if you are interested in any of the products that I haul and I have not reviewed them yet, definitely go ahead and leave a comment and let me know that you guys want to see a review on any of the products that I recently hauled. But here is the palette. How gorgeous is this? It's just so beautiful, absolutely stunning. I think that I haven't touched it because it looks so pretty to play around with. Like, and that is such a bad excuse, but seriously, it is beautiful. So it is really nice and heavy. It reminds me so much of Pat McGrath. This palette is made in Italy and it has a shelf life of 18 months. So before we get to the video, please don't forget to like. That definitely helps out my channel a lot, and I really truly appreciate whenever you guys take the time to like my videos, and of course comment down below. I know it's a little bit more time consuming, but if you guys leave me a really nice short comment, I really truly appreciate it. And of course, go ahead and hit that little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. I look super weird and super naked without any brows, but let's go ahead and do the eyes. I already have my base, which I am doing a review on right now. So if that video is ready, I will link it down below. I'm testing the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation, which is the Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. And you guys have to check out that video. So let's go ahead and take a look at the palette one more time. And as you can see, all of the shades on the top row are matte, and on the bottom row we do have some shimmers and metallics, and they really match to one another really nicely. So really excited for this palette to see how it goes. Let's go ahead and apply the eyeshadows, and of course we're going to start with this shade right here. I'm just going to add it to the brow bone and bring it down to the crease. Let's go ahead and take this cool tone shade right here, which is totally off my comfort zone. So we're going to play with that shade, and it's a little bit more on the gray side, still a little brown, grayish kind of brown. So we're going to add it to the crease like that. Super pigmented, as you can see, and I tap my brush, just going to create my shape, going to add it to the whatever is on the brush, just going to add it to the outer corner, and just connecting the crease with the outer corner little by little, and just looking straight. I'm going to bring it down a little bit in the inner part, creating that shape. With a tiny brush like this, I am going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to outline my shape a little bit more. So on the crease, just in this area right here, and in the outer corner, just creating that V shape, and going back with the previous shade and just blend. Adding a little bit of the maroon shade, this one right here, to the outer corner on the lower lash, really close to the lower lash, and just flicking it up a little bit to blend it into the light brown grayish shade. All right, I went ahead and did the other eye and did my brows old school, like super old school. Haven't used these products in a very long time. I'll link everything down below in the description area that I have on my face just in case you are interested. Let's go ahead and continue on with the eyes. I am going to take this shade right here in the very inner corner of our eyes. We're going to keep it down on our lid, and I'm taking the Refer 21 brush. I'm just going to tap it. Wow, wow, do you guys see that? Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. So I'm just going to keep it on the lid, and we're going to stop a third of the way. Okay, I'm impressed. This shadow alone I am loving. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the other eye. These Refer 21 brushes are amazing to pick up like glittery shades like this or metallic shades. So I am going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to just press it down on the rest of the lid. I'm going to make sure that this maroon shade right here, this matte, really stays in the outer third of the lid. Okay, let me do the other eye. All right, I am going to add a little bit of black liner from Persona Cosmetics, and I'm going to add it on my tight line. And this is a black liner, super creamy, and on the waterline as well, but just halfway. I'm not going to bring it all the way in. I'm going to take a little bit more of the maroon shade on the bottom and just really smoke it out in the outer corner. To add a little bit of an inner corner highlight, I'm going to add this shimmery shade right here. So just adding that to the very tip of our tear duct. So adding this shade is not super shimmery, so I am going to just add it, just blending it up with the other shadows that we have going on here, so they can just all like meet with one another. And just taking a fluffy brush and just blend it in. Right, so I am going to curl my lashes, add a little bit of a mascara, well, lots of mascara, and I'll be right back so you guys can see the final look. So here we have all the mattes. There is not a lot of fallout. It's super pigmented. It feels super soft to the touch. It's a really beautiful formula. All right, and here we have the shimmer shades. These two down here are more like toppers, the ones that I actually have on my eye. You can definitely build them up. And these two are definitely more on the metallic shades, and this one right here, it's a little bit more softer. These two right here are definitely like the star of the shows, as this one right here. Really nice coppery shade. All right guys, so let's go ahead and talk about the eyeshadow palette. I am in love with these shades right here. I think that they are so beautiful, and it does not emphasize the texture on my eyelid, which that's like a #1 pet peeve of mine. Whenever eyeshadow palettes look super amazing and they have like the most beautiful shades, but once you put it on the eyelid and they emphasize any of my lines, they're like, psh, not for me at all. And these right here, they are not doing that at all. They're just gliding on to the eyelid. They just went on super nice, super buttery, really beautiful. They blended to each other effortlessly. I barely had to blend, which is amazing. The mattes, they just felt super soft to the touch, and I'm trying to think of an eyeshadow in my collection that felt like that, and I just can't. I just can't think of anything that feels that soft. No fallout whatsoever when I was applying it to the eyes, and I already had my foundation done, so that's definitely a plus for me for sure. There was a little bit of fallout with these two right here, but I was able to clean it out super easy. So yeah, really impressed with this palette. I cannot wait to make more looks. I actually want to use the black all over and maybe this gunmetal on top of it with a little bit of this shade. I don't know, I have so many looks already on mine. A really nice palette for sure, really nice quality. But yeah, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, that definitely helps out my channel a lot, and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support, and I will see you next time.